KG. Welcome back to your English class. Hope you all are staying well. Today we are going to do revision of use of a and an. Take out your CW copy. Write today's date on the left hand side. 23/8/21. Then CW. At the top, use of a and an. Now let's start writing. What is this? Dash cap. So what will you write? A cap, because C is a consonant. Dash apple, an apple. Next, dash box, a box. Dash pen, a pen. Next, dash book, a book. Next, dash pencil, a pencil. Dash orange. So it starts with O. That means vowel. So you will write an orange. Next, dash banana. Starts with B. So you will write a banana. Dash coconut. So starts with C. Coconut. So you will write a coconut. Next, dash elephant. Dash elephant. So an elephant, because we have learned vowels A, E, I, O, U. Once the word starts with this, then we write what? We write an. Okay? Now we will move to our handwriting book. Let's go. Words related to letter B. Letter B. What is this? B as in ball. What is the spelling of ball? B-A-L-L. Ball. Now, what is this? This is a picture of a boy. B-O-Y. Done? Next. This is a picture of bat. B-A-T. Bat. Okay? Next. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Okay? So how do we write this? See, we start with capital letter. Then we move to small letters. Okay? Now let's start tracing the letters. So B, you start from here, take it from the top and make one half circle, take a twist and again a small twist. Done? Now from here, go at the top, again come back, then you again go up and down. Okay? Now this way you will write double L and stop here. Clear? So we start from the blue line at the top. We move on. Half circle, and there is a twist. And then again we write letter A, then L, and again L. Keep in mind, students, do not pick up your pencil. I am writing with pen. You will write with pencil. Do not pick it up. That is wrong. Let's write here. So you move like this. A small twist. Then this way when you go up. Again come down and A done. And both the L you write in the same way. So you write ball like this. Now you will write boy. B, you know how to write. So use the same pattern of writing B. Now O, you go up, half up, okay? Come back and give a twist over here. Then you give this U shape and then come down. Done? So let's write here. Use this half circle, come back, take a turn over here, go half up, come down, give a twist over here, and then you write Y. Done? B-O-Y, boy. Next, we'll write bat. So same way, continue writing B, and then after A, you have already learned how to write. So go up, and then T, same way like L, but you have to touch this line and strike this off. So how it goes? Take it up, a twist, a small twist, same way write A, go up, bring it down like L and touch this line. This is the difference in L and T. So bag will also become easy when you write, because you have already learned how to write B and then A, okay? Yeah, okay. So it goes like this. And G will come down here, then back, give this circle, come down, give this twist. So when I write here, B you write like this, twist done, you write A then, twist done, now G also, twist and done. So in this way, write these words: ball, boy, bat, bag. Use the lines properly. I hope you can see it clearly. Page number, you're doing 8 now, okay? So complete page number 8. Till this much. So today till this much. Take care. Bye bye.